Hey, it's Bounty again, and I got my metal detector today in the mail. Marnur Outdoor and Garden Vex Technology metal detector with a large LCD display. Alright, it comes with a carrying case that fits it all. While it's all put together, it comes with a collapsible hand shovel, pickaxe. It comes with a nice carrying case that you can put on your belt. And it also comes with this plastic polymer type ground rake. It also comes with a cover for the coil. All right, I went ahead and took the liberty of go ahead and putting it together. It is a no-brainer to put together. It is very simple, very simple. Comes well packaged in that little box. Nice LCD screen on it. Turn it on. I'm going to turn the volume all the way up on it. I got the sensitivity close to all the way up. So I got some coins right here. Let's see. And that's about 8 inches above it. Yep. Oh yeah, six to 8 inches from what I've already tested. But for the money, this is a good metal detector. Earphone jacks and all that. So for the money, I think it's worth it to try. And it is a Marnur. All right. So stay tuned for videos where I'm going to be using this to dig holes all in my yard and making a mess, maybe making the wife mad about digging holes. So anyway, thanks for watching, and yeah, I hope you like my little review that I've done. Thank you very much for watching.